This is Yasir Khan coming out with another episode of Keep Real Estate Simple. It's amazing how many people out there don't know cost associated with buying a house in Toronto or surrounding. So everybody talk about price of the house, mortgages, and the commission. But there is a lot of other cost associated when buying a home. So I want to go through the most popular cost. However, sit down either me or your realtor and go over every possible cost so you know how much money you need on closing day. So number one, aside from cost of buying the house, you have to pay land transfer tax. Depends on home price. Now you are a first-time home buyer, you might be eligible to receive a rebate on certain portion. However, you have to check there is some good calculators out there or check with your lawyer. Number two are lawyer's fees. You need someone to transfer the title and do all the paperwork for you. So there is a lawyer fees. Keep that in mind, somewhere $1,500. Number three, title insurance fees. Very important to protect you from fraud and other things like property taxes and utility bills. Cost somewhere $600, depends on home size. There are also a number of other costs such as Canadian Mortgage Housing Corporation CMHC fees if you buying with less than 20% down. So make sure you go over every party you deals with, your lender, your lawyer, your agent, to ensure that you have good hands on the cost before you buy that house. I am Yasir Khan, talking about typical closing cost. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email me. Keep real estate simple. I am out.